To start with the makeup, first I'll be using a tone-up cream to brighten up my skin tone. It will help me to look less tired for the first day of school. I'm also mixing in a little bit of Becca Backlight priming filter to add a little bit of glow to my face. The reason I'm using a tone-up cream is because I don't really use foundation anymore, and this will help to even out my skin tone. I'm just gonna blend everything in with the Beauty Blender.
I try all the time, every night, I walk the line.
And then I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Light Ivory to cover up my dark circles.
You with me back and it's later than ever. I spent all the night wishing we were together. Oh well, I don't have the time or the effort now.
And then I'm using the same concealer to conceal any redness and spots on my face.
I wish we were together. No, 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 no. Always up and down. Doubting myself, I'm all over the place. Look at this precious sun going away.
I have been really into glowy skin, so you'll see me using a lot of highlighting products in this video. Before I set my face, I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs highlighter stick to highlight the highest point of my cheeks and also down my nose a little bit. For setting the center of my face, I'll be using the Fit Me Loose Powder from Maybelline.
Like I wasn't supposed to hear them come around. You're back in town.
Since I have pretty dry skin, so I'll be using the NYX No Filter finishing powder to powder the rest of my face. Because this powder is a lot less drying and also it looks really natural on the skin, so it won't emphasize any of your dry patches. Well, I'm not the best at doing my brows, but I still want to show you guys the step. For the ends of my brows, I like to use a brow pencil because it will look a lot more neat and clean. But for the front part of my brows, I like to use a brow powder because it looks more natural that way.
No need to waste time, let's just cut to the chase.
I also like to take a darker brow powder to create hair-like strokes at the very front part of my brows. And then I'm just gonna set my brows with a brow gel. Feel free to skip this step if you're in a rush, but I just cannot go out without contouring my nose and also my chin. Moving on to the eyes, I will be taking a darker orangey shade to place it all over my lid and into my crease and also on my lower lash line. Warm terracotta kind of shade, we'll be using a smaller brush to place it at the outer corners and into our crease, and also at the inner corners of our eyes. Basically, this step is going to leave the center empty.
You with me back and it's later than ever. I spent all the night wishing we were together. Oh well, I don't have the time or the effort now. You with me back and it's later than ever. I spent all the night wishing we were together.
We'll also take this shade at the outer corners of our lower lash line.
Always up and down. Doubting myself, I'm all over the place.
lighter yellowy brown color, we'll be placing it at the crease, so to blend out the colors.
No need to waste time, let's just cut to the chase.
Be mixing a reddish copper shade and also a gold shade to place it at the center of my lid. Of course, we need to blend out the edges a little bit, but be careful not to blend it out too much because we want to focus this shimmer at the center of the lid. And then taking the terracotta shade again, we'll be cleaning up the edges.
Like I wasn't supposed to hear them. Come around, you're back in town.
Taking the gold shade with your pinky, we'll be placing this color at the center of our lower lash line.
Why do you make this so difficult?
I'm taking a glittery shade from B by Banila in the shade Brown Latte to place it on top of the shimmery shade that would put at the center of our eyelid and also onto the lower lash line over the gold eyeshadow we just put.
Doubting myself, I'm all over the place. Look at this precious time going to waste. Take me.
Then I'm taking a dark brown gel liner to draw a really simple wing.
No need to waste time, let's just cut to the chase. Sitting here waiting, your head's in my face. Up and down.
Then I'm taking the really warm dark brown color and place it at the outer corner of my lower lash line to darken up the look a little bit. I'm using the Etude House mascara on my upper lashes and the other one on my lower lashes. And here is the finished eye makeup look. Moving back to the face makeup, I'll be contouring with the Sephora contouring powder. You can skip this step if you don't feel like contouring. Be using the WonderBronze from Soap & Glory to bronze up my skin. This is a really shimmery bronzer. I think this is a beautiful product for summer because it gives you a really natural and glowy sun-kissed look. For my blush, I'll be using the Toasted Cinnamon from Burt's Bees.
What it takes to make you mine. I try all the time, every night.
Taking the Essence Pure Nude highlighter, I'm almost placing this all over my face.
I try all the time. You and me back in
I promise this is the last highlighter you'll see in this video. I'm taking the Colourpop Flexitarian to intensify the highlight.
You and me back and it's later than ever. I spent all the night wishing we were
For my lips, I decided to go with a glossy nude. First, I'll be taking a Colourpop lippy sticks in the shade Parker.
together. Up and down. Doubting myself, I'm all over the place.
To finish off the look, I'll be using my favorite lip gloss. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb.
No need to waste time, let's just cut to the chase. Sitting here waiting, your hands in my face.
Time to fix our hair. I'll be only using a flat iron. So, of course, first you'll have to brush through your hair. So first thing, I'll be straightening out all my hair. This is because I wash my hair at night. If you wash your hair in the morning and you blow dry it nicely, you can skip this step. The reason for this step is just to get our hair a little bit tidier to work with.
But what I found is you're never around. Why do you make this so difficult?
Today's hairstyle is actually extremely fast and easy because we only need to focus on the top layer. For the bottom layer, just pick up random pieces and curl it a little bit just to add some volume to your look.
Doubting myself, I'm all over the place. Look at this precious.
Well, for the top layer, I'm not sure of how to explain it, so just watch. Yeah, just like that. So basically repeat this step until you're satisfied with the look. You don't have to do all the hair because it'll look more effortless that way. Before showing you guys my outfit, I want to first show you guys the closer look of my makeup and hair. This is just a really easy glam makeup look for your first day of school, and I think it's really easy to recreate and it looks really nice. Finally, the outfit. I think for me the essentials would be white t-shirt and high-waisted jeans. Here I'm wearing a pair of mom jeans. If you have school regulations to follow, or if you think this is too much skin showing for you, just simply tuck in your t-shirt, it will still look really good. And of course, old school fans is the easiest to pair with any outfit. I think it will be a really good idea to keep an oversized plaid shirt or any button downs in your backpack or in your locker just in case the AC is blowing really strong. This is the end of today's video. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Myself, I'm all over the place. Look at this precious sun going away. Take